Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open 2017 Buick Enclave hood. Easy method. Pull the interior hood release lever under the driver's side dash firmly toward you to pop the hood. Move to the front and reach under the hood center to push the secondary latch to fully release it. Lift the hood gently and place the prop rod into the hood support hole to hold it open securely. Start by sitting comfortably in the driver's seat and looking beneath the left side of the dash for a small hood lever. The lever typically has a hood icon and pivots toward you when pulled, so use a firm, steady pull to pop the hood. If the lever feels stuck, wiggle it slightly while pulling and check the owner's manual for illustrations so you are confident about the exact lever location and motion. If this guide is helping you, please subscribe and like the video so I can keep making useful content. Quick recommendation. The Owala water bottle is perfect to keep by your side while you work under the hood, and it fits cup holders and stays leak-free. Check the description for the link and other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Once the hood is popped, walk to the front and look for the slight gap along the hood edge to access the secondary latch. Reach under the center area, feel for the latch mechanism, and push or slide it to free the hood completely. Carefully lift the hood and place the prop rod tip into the support hole to hold it open, and double-check stability before leaning in to inspect or service anything under the hood.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.